Alright guys, let's talk about apps and websites that pay you real money because gift cards don't pay the bills. I have to clean this up. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Let's jump into it. So number one on the list is UserTesting.com. In case you haven't heard of UserTesting.com, it is a platform that allows companies to gather user feedback on their websites, apps, and products through real-time video feedback sessions. Participants, or as they're called, testers, are paid to review digital products by performing specific tasks while sharing their thoughts and experiences aloud. And the feedback provided by testers helps companies improve their user experience and overall website and app functionality. So as a tester, you get paid to test websites and apps by completing short tasks and answering questions. For this job, you typically need a computer, a smartphone or tablet with a microphone and sometimes a webcam. So a typical test on UserTesting.com is about 20 minutes and will pay you around $10, which is not a ton, but if you convert it into an hourly rate, that is actually a pretty decent amount of money. Now for live interviews, earning range somewhere between $30 to $120 depending on the duration and complexity. UserTesting.com will pay you directly into your PayPal account and you'll receive a payment about 7 days after completing a test. Now I'm actually checking out UserTesting.com right now, so if you want me to make a dedicated video to show you how much I was able to earn, make sure to leave me a comment down below and hit a thumbs up on this video so I know. So the next one on my list is Freecash. So you guys might have seen a dedicated video on my channel where I tested Freecash and had a ton of fun with this app. Pretty much the way that this app works is you can get paid for playing games, completing different tasks, signing up for apps, and completing surveys. So I know it is a pretty popular app. Some people have had some issues with it, but I personally really enjoyed using it.
I'm laying on the couch right now and just playing games on my phone, and apparently I'm making money while doing this. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think it's better than that.
If you want to see a full video, I'll include it in one of these corners. It's actually a really fun one that I made, but I have been consistently making money through Freecash, and I'm noticing a lot of other people have been making a decent amount of money. I've gotten paid multiple times via PayPal and Amazon gift cards. So if you want to earn additional cash while doing something fun, I highly recommend this app. So in terms of the earnings that you can expect on Freecash, it can really vary. Sometimes it can be anything from under $1 all the way to over $20 depending on the task. For example, the offer with Upside that I completed and earned me almost $20. So it can really vary, and I noticed Freecash is available in a lot of different countries and not just the United States. So next one is Prime Opinion, which is actually a very popular survey app that you guys probably have heard about and the platform that I've covered multiple times on this channel. Now, just like with any survey websites, they usually don't pay that much, so most of them are going to be under $1 per survey. I also have a dedicated video where I tested Prime Opinion and showed you how much I was able to earn through that website. So if you want to see that one as well, I'll include it down below and somewhere in these corners. So in terms of how you get paid, there are a lot of different ways that you can do it. And yes, you can receive money directly to your PayPal account. You can also receive it directly to your bank account via ACH transfer. There are multiple different gift cards available, so you have plenty of options to choose from. So next on our list are Upwork and Fiverr, which I'll put them in the same category here since they're very similar. So obviously these two websites are pretty different from the ones that I just mentioned. Upwork and Fiverr are very known marketplaces that connect entrepreneurs and people who need freelance help and professional freelancers. So I personally both hired people and freelance on both platforms, and I can tell that you can make pretty decent money off of it. I noticed especially if you are based in a country with lower cost of living, you can 100% make full-time income from Upwork and Fiverr. Now, your earning potential really depends on the service you offer and your experience level, but freelancers can earn anywhere from $5 to sometimes thousands of dollars per project. And in terms of the project, I noticed sometimes it can be a very quick task or a gig, or sometimes some of the Upwork projects can go on for months and months and pay you full-time salary. So in terms of the services that you can provide, there's quite a few options here. I know in general these platforms are very popular for services such as design, copywriting, virtual assisting, but I personally consulted there as a career coach, and that's actually how I started my business before I had my own website. I actually used to freelance on Upwork and sometimes would make a few $100s per project, such as rewriting somebody's resume or doing interview coaching with them. My husband actually did a consulting gig to where he consulted a startup on how to use a very specific software that not a lot of people know how to use. So I highly encourage that you check out Upwork and Fiverr and see if that's something that you can potentially turn into a business. Now, in terms of the payment methods, personally, when I freelanced there, I got a direct deposit into my bank account, but you can also get paid through PayPal and some of the other supported payment methods. Now, in terms of the consistency and earning potential, these things can really vary depending on the gig, the project requirements, your level of experience, time commitment, and things like that. But as I mentioned to you, I know a lot of people that just do Upwork and Fiverr full-time. Now, last but not least is Slice the Pie. So this is a platform that I actually discovered this year, which is a great platform that pays you to review music, fashion, and other items. Now, in terms of the earnings, they're definitely on the lower end, which is around 2 cents to 20 cents per review, but from what I'm noticing, there's quite a bit of volume of like music and items that can be reviewed. So once again, if you are based somewhere with a lower cost of living, which this platform is available, I'm noticing in most English-speaking countries and Germany. So you can actually make some fun additional money. It's definitely not something that is going to replace your full-time job, but if you enjoy listening to music and want to get paid for it, you can check out Slice the Pie. So it's actually another platform that I'm testing right now and making a dedicated video about this. So if you want to see it, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I think you're gonna like this one as well. And there are several other app and platforms videos that I'll include down below. And you can also check out my playlist if you like these types of videos. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.